My little one loves these smoothies.
I want a juice.
You want a juice? Okay. Hey guys, this is a very simple healthy green smoothie recipe. I just grab a bunch of spinach from the box. It's baby spinach. You can use normal spinach. Just don't use frozen. That doesn't taste good. Maybe there's a cup, you can say. And then I have a piece of ginger that's gonna go in here. Then I'm gonna add one of the smaller oranges, a medium banana, and some almonds, and I'm just gonna grind it up. I think the piece of ginger and the orange are essential if you don't want to drink crappy tasting smoothie, because these two completely mask the taste of spinach. Almonds give the creaminess. Banana kind of adds the nice creamy texture, but at the same time adds sweetness. And this tastes bomb. I'm not kidding you. This actually tastes good. It doesn't just taste acceptable. It actually tastes good. If you live in places where you can replace the spinach with kale, according to me, it tastes like sugarcane juice with ginger that you get in summertime in India. Basically, ganne ka juice with ginger, and it tastes amazing. So, spinach, banana, orange, almonds, and then the ginger. Now the trick here is, because the blade for the Ninja goes on top, I'm adding the ingredients that are hardest to grind on top, and then the ones that are easier to kind of pulverize at the bottom. If you have one of those regular mixers where the blade's at the bottom, you are going to add the orange, the almonds, and the ginger first, and then you're going to top it off with banana and spinach. And now I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Don't add too much water in the beginning, because if you do, then the grinder is going to find it very difficult to make a super smooth paste, because then the bigger pieces just keep on spinning around. So add just a little bit of water. I'm going to add about maybe this much. Here is everything right side down. As you can see, the blade is down there, and then the orange, the almonds, and the ginger are closest to the blade, and then spinach is on top. We really like this Ninja. It's the 1500 watt one. We purchased it about 4 years ago. That time I was pregnant with my older one, and I had it in my head that I want to drink smoothies every day. And we did throughout that pregnancy, and then we kind of gave up during the second one. But now we are doing it again. Both the kids love this smoothie, so it's perfect for kids too. We just call it Green Monster Smoothie. The older one, who understands what monsters are, just loves it. Yeah, that looks pretty smooth. I guess it's done. So there you go, nice and smooth. It's nicely pulverized. Everything is nice and smooth. It looks very vibrant green, and it tastes really good. Definitely give it a try. If you have kids, they're gonna love this. Just say that they're gonna have a green monster smoothie. If they're into monsters, 4-year-olds, especially boys, they're gonna just eat that up. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. See you guys in the next one.
Got it. Juice.
Juice, okay.
No mess. No mess.
No mess, okay, good, very good. No mess.
No mess. No.
Okay.